and it wasn't my fault. I got in trouble because my brother snores in bed. Went home for the holidays, my whole family, we had to stay over, we had to share rooms. I had to share a room with my brother Kenny. You ever sleep near someone who snores? Loud? My brother snores with a capital snot. You know what I'm talking about, man? It's like... I'm like, what the hell was that? I'm at the window, I'm like, who the hell is landscaping at 2 in the morning? Christmas Eve in the snow. Who? Holy shit, it's him. And I'm waiting. I'm thinking he's got to wake himself up, right? Instead, he gets asthma to boot. So now he's snoring and wheezing. I'm laying in bed. This is what I'm hearing. I'm like, where the hell am I? Jurassic Park? Loud now. And I got in trouble. Not for that. I got in trouble a little while later when my older brother in the next room got a middle ear itch. You know what that is? It's that itch behind your eardrum that runs down the back of your throat. You can't, you know what a singing itch? Anyone with allergies? And everybody has their own disgusting way of scratching it. Nothing works. Some people make that noise, that obnoxious... You're like, what, do you got a fur ball? Other people make the scrunched up face, the inner ear scrunch. You know these people? You're like, look, honey, Wilbur the pig from Charlotte's Web. But my brother has his own unique way of scratching a middle ear itch. Laying in bed, sound asleep, sounding like a cat in heat, just going... I got chills going up and down my spine. Donald Duck's having a seizure in the next room. I'm like, what are you making, cappuccino? So now I'm laying in bed. 2 o'clock in the morning, Christmas Eve. I got snoring and wheezing in one room. I got a middle ear itch in the other room. They're both sound asleep, getting louder and louder. This is what I'm hearing. I'm under the covers. I think Freddy Krueger's in the room. Shit. I couldn't take it. After about 3 hours of... I joined in. I went, all I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom. I got to go. You guys are great. Thank you.